Hello guys! For today's video, I will show you how to install Windows 2000 sa VirtualBox. Let's start. Ito, pre-recorded ko na to. Yan. New. Yan. Then, ito, pangalanan natin, Win 2000. And meron na, baguhin natin dito yung MB niya ng 512. Yan, finish. Then, maglagay tayo ng ISO. Yan, itong professional. Start. I-fast forward natin ng konti. Kasi medyo matagal yan. Pagdating dyan, mag-enter na lang kayo dyan guys. Yan. Talagang madali lang talaga itong 2000 i-setup. So easy. Yan. Setup, enter. Enter. Enter yan. You just need to wait here, waiting game. Let's fast forward it. Yan. And after that, another waiting game. Just fast forward it. And then another waiting. The computer will reboot in seconds. Magtama yan. Fast forward ko na ulit. Yan. Dito, wala kayong gagawin dito. Just wait. Yan. Professional. Professional is different from the server because it's for the user only. Yan. Then next, enter. Here, just a waiting game. Let's just fast forward it a bit. It's already ended there. It gets stuck here. It's like about 3 minutes. Even if your laptop is fast, like that. Here, it's always happening on many laptop, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's fast forward it again. Yan. Hihintay po talaga kayo ng matagal dito pag mag-setup po talaga kayo ng Windows 2000. Kasi talagang waiting game lang po ang gagawin nyo. Tagal po yan. Mga 3 minutes, 4 minutes ang inabot. Ito na. Tapos na dito. And then next again. You can just do enter. And next, then name. Lance. Ionization, TUPT. Yan, next. Then, product key, syempre, kailangan natin yan. Marami yan sa mga GitHub. Mag-search lang kayo. And it's just easy to find. In this part, I'm just searching the product key yan. RM22, 233, 2PRQQ, FR4RH, JP, 89H, 46QYB. And next, then administrator password, kahit next na yan. Then Hong Kong yan, same time tayo dyan. And here, just waiting game again. So, alam mo naman to. Yan. Dito naman is custom. Yan, next. Then next. Then just next. Just next this. Yan. Then here, waiting game again. Just wait. And after that, maghihintay na naman po kayo. I-fast forward na natin kasi wala na po kayong gagawin dyan. Talagang maghihintay lang po. Kaya yan. Yan, finish. And then magre-reboot yan. Lang ang gagawin dyan. Hintayin mo lang yan maganyan. Windows 2000 Professional. Wait, yan. Preparing na siya. Yan, the next. Yan, username, lance, password nyo. Pero pwede yan next, finish, yan. Setup, and yan. Meron na kayong Windows 2000 Professional. Ganun lang siya kadali, guys. Hintayin nyo lang. Press natin yan. Ayan lang guys for today's video at sana you learn a lot from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.